In manufacturing, your business is full of moving parts, which makes securing every edge and integrating IT and OT a big ask. But when you get there, you light up incredible possibilities. Splunk helps manufacturers build edge-to-enterprise resilience, so you can be smarter and more secure at every step, and keep your operations up and running no matter what. We help you see across all of your IT and OT systems, so you can detect and respond to threats faster. This helps you catch problems before they become issues and minimize unplanned downtime. With edge-to-enterprise monitoring, you can also gain deep insights and drive incredible transformation from the factory floor to the final product. At Splunk, we're excited about the progress we help manufacturers see every day. From reaching your sustainability goals to seamlessly boosting your productivity and efficiency at scale, we're ready to help you reach next-level resilience and unlock the innovations that will bring on a brighter future.